Welcome back. Now news from sports. Goan baseballers have once again underlined their superiority at the national level. The state men's and women's teams have returned with gold medals in each category from the National Baseball Championships in Madhya Pradesh. Sports Authority of Goa's Executive Director V.M. Prabhudesai said that every member of the team will get 10,000 rupees reward from SAG.
The Goan men's and women's baseball teams won the gold medals at the 25th National Baseball Championships held in Indore. SAG Executive Director V.M. Prabhudesai, Chief Coach Dilip Naik, President of Goa Baseball Association Ramakant Angle were present for the felicitation ceremony at Nehru Stadium on Monday morning. V.M. Prabhudesai praised the players and coaching staff for the historic achievement. He hoped that the baseball teams will win the gold medals at national games in Goa.
विश्वास आमी ह्या टिमींचेर दवरिल्लो आसा म्हळ्यार ज्यो नॅशनल गेम्स गोंयांत जातल्यो त्या नॅशनल गेमीन ह्याच पद्दतीचो परफॉर्मन्स त्या टिमींनी दिवचो आनी गोंयची मॅन आनी विमेन टीम जैतिवंत जावची म्हणून पयलींच्यानच तांणी तयारीक लागपाचें थाराव आमी घेतिल्लो आसा आनी त्या पद्दतीन तांची मुखार फुडलीं 1-2 वर्सां वाटचाल चालू जातली.
Chief Coach Dilip Naik stressed on the great discipline and hard work put in by baseball players.
प्लेयर आमचे इमानदार आनी कश्टाळू प्लेयर हे गोंयचे चडशे खेडेगांवचे आयले रायट फ्रॉम काणकोण टू शिरगांव आनी पर्वरी धरले ते मडकय धरले ते एवढे उसगांवचे अशे आमचे खेडोपाडीचे प्लेयर हे प्लेयर ज्या वेळार आमी आपयतात त्या वेळार ग्रावंडार येता आनी तुमी केन्नाय एवढे वयता जाल्यार चडांत चड हांगा बेसबॉल प्लेयर 12 12:30 एका सुद्दां प्रॅक्टीस करता आसतना मेळटा तशें परत सांजेय मेळटा म्हणजे तेंचे जे कश्ट आसा त्या कश्टाचें हें फळ.
President of Goa Baseball Association Ramakant Angle expressed satisfaction about the facilities in the state.
आमच्या राज्यात दिलीप कोचान सांगला की आमच्या राज्यात ज्यो फॅसिलिटी स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंटाक तशें मातशें हिंदुस्तानाक खंयच्याय राज्याक ह्यो फॅसिलिटी मेळनात आनीक आतां हें जे कप आमी हाडला ते आमकां कप खूब मेळटा प्रत्येक वर्सा आमगे गोल्ड आसताच पूण ह्या गोल्डाचें आमकां स्पेशल कितें आशिल्लें की आमचे बेसबॉल फेडरेशन आज 25 वर्सां जातात.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Hats off to all the baseball team members. And from baseball over to football, Panzarkoni Sports Club beat Shantadurga Sports Club in the finals of South Goa Football Tournament at Kunkoli on Sunday. The tournament was organized by Parish Youth Club.
Pazarkhand Sports Club and Shantadurga Sports Club were locked at 1 goal each in the regulation time. The result had to be decided on tiebreaker. Pazarkhand won the shootout by 4 goals to 3. Here are some highlights.
Panzarkoni Sports Club next up. And that was
Yuri Alemao was the chief guest for the final. Kukade Municipality Chairperson Devendra Fardesai and Father Benson Kulaso were also present. Lasan Coutinho was named the best goalkeeper. Maurice Diniz bagged the man of the match prize. A reporter from Kukadi, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Salgaonkar Sports Club, in association with the Nuven Charitable Trust, had organized a youth football festival at Nuven Church Ground on Sunday. The I-League Club's initiative was a part of their youth development program.
Salgaonkar Sports Club has been acknowledged by the Asian Football Confederation as the only club in India to have the professional setup for youth development. The department functions under the guidance of Mariano Diaz. The club has tied up with Nuven Charitable Trust to conduct the Youth Football Festival on Sunday. The event was for the under-14 and under-16 children. Power Minister Alexo Siqueira, Salgaonkar Sports Club Chairman Shivanand Salgaonkar, Director of Sports Dr. Susanna D'Souza, Executive Director of SAG V.M. Prabhudesai were present for the occasion. Secretary of Salgaonkar Sports Club R. Gomes told Prudent that the club intends to carry out programs like these in various parts of Goa.
This youth festival which we has carried out today is one of the unique type that we have done. We at Salgaonkers believe in getting young boys trained up to have them a good future in football and carry their duties and shine in their future. We along with the Nuven Charitable Trust of Nuven, we decided to have this festival here at Nuven and give a bigger mileage for all the Nuven people, the young boys, to carry on with their career of football. We are very aggressive in this and we will be carrying out such events in future in Nuven itself and also in other villages of Goa.
Power Minister Alex Siqueira gave away their prizes to the players. Our reporter from Nuven, Samir Bhatt.
And with that, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to Prudent Media.